Now, I want you to imagine a warm, gentle light appearing at the top of your head. This light carries positive, soothing, and healing energy. It sparkles like the morning sun, not blinding, but filled with love. Let this light surround you, creating a sense of safety, as if you are being embraced by the universe. This journey will be your opportunity to release negative energies and restore your innate peace. Trust the process and let me guide you. Let's begin. Keep your body relaxed and focus on the warm light surrounding you. From the top of your head, the light begins to move gently, spreading throughout your body. First, feel the light covering your scalp, sinking deep into every cell, dissolving all tension and pressure. Then, it moves to your forehead, soothing any restless thoughts and bringing calm and clarity. The light flows down to your eyes, relaxing your eyelids and softening every part of your face, reaching your cheeks, nose, and lips. Each area touched by the light feels healed. With every muscle, letting go of tension, leaving you feeling serene and light. Now, the light continues down to your neck and shoulders. It feels as though an invisible weight has lifted, leaving your shoulders naturally relaxed. From here, the light flows down your arms, through your elbows, wrists, and into your fingers. Every part of your arms is enveloped in positive energy, as though you are floating in a sea of warm light. The light continues its journey to your chest, where it gently wraps around your heart with warmth and love. Breathe deeply and feel the light merging with each breath, bringing you peace and tranquility. Let this feeling spread through your soul as you prepare for the next step in your healing journey. Feel the gentle light as it flows down to your lower abdomen, relaxing every muscle and organ, releasing all tension. The warm light continues to your hips, thighs, knees, slowly moving to your calves, ankles, and finally to your toes. At this moment, your entire body is wrapped in a cocoon of healing light, bringing a profound sense of peace and calm. Now, I want you to imagine yourself standing in front of a special door, a door that glows with a warm and inviting energy. This is your gateway to a healing space. As you open the door, a magical garden unfolds before you. Vibrant flowers, clear streams, and a refreshing aroma fill the air, revitalizing your spirit. You step into the garden, feeling the soft ground beneath your feet. Find a peaceful spot, perhaps by the stream or under a large tree, and sit down. As you close your eyes, your inner self begins to appear. It is a radiant version of you, full of love and wisdom. This presence smiles at you and reaches out, offering a message of healing and peace. You are ready to let go of all worries and welcome positive energy. Let me help you restore balance to your mind and body, because within you lies an incredible source of strength to heal and overcome any challenges. Feel the love and peace envelop you as you connect deeply with your inner self, the part of you that holds the greatest truths and beauty. After connecting with your inner self, spend a few moments enjoying this state of harmony and tranquility. Feel each breath and heartbeat as they merge with the energy of this magical garden. The healing light surrounds you, relaxing your body and cleansing your mind of all negativity. Now, imagine yourself standing up, ready to leave the garden and return to reality. But you're not leaving empty-handed. You carry with you a sense of peace and newfound strength to face life. From now on, every day will be an opportunity to heal and grow. I will count down from 10 to 1. Each number will help you return to reality, carrying positive energy and lightness with you. 10. Take a deep breath and feel your body preparing to awaken. 9. The healing light still surrounds you, bringing peace. 8. Your mind becomes clearer, yet retains tranquility. 7. Feel your body returning to a state of gentle readiness. 6. All tension has disappeared, leaving only positive energy. Your heart is full of love and gratitude. 4. Your breathing is steady, like a strong current of energy. 3. You begin to sense your surroundings, still holding on to calmness. 2. A new source of inspiration awaits you in reality. 1. You are ready to return, balanced and empowered. When you open your eyes, you will feel refreshed in both body and mind. Remember, this state of healing is always within you. Whenever you feel tired or in need of peace, you can return to this space. Thank you for joining me on this journey. I wish you a day full of energy and love.